Hi, good afternoon. How are you today?
I'm fine. I'm okay.
Okay. Now, can you please tell me about your last job?
Well, the nature of my job is I work as a cashier cum receptionist. My responsibility there is to support services via phones and emails, to manage appointments. Responsible for the ordering of supplies, the product deliveries, and display of designated products to area by using FIFO system. Responsible for the inventories, items, and receive and process payments through cash, credit, and debit card on a daily and monthly basis through our system, the IRIS system and Excel. In charge for the computation and distribution of salaries and commission.
So, how long you do work there, that company?
Well, I've been there for. I finished already my first term, which is 3 years, and then now it's another term for 2 years, and I for 2 years now I am 1 year
Mm-hmm.
with
Oh,
them
all right. So, by the way, why you decided not to continue to work with them?
because of the salary that I am receiving.
All right. So, since you're looking for a new job now, because of that reason, um, how much would be the range of the salary you'd ask this time?
1,800 to 2,000.
And by the way, what do you like to do most in the house? Mostly, what do you like to do?
Actually, I really want to just cleaning, cooking, but just our food, not the Oriental or any kind of
Okay, just a little bit of knowledge about cleaning. What detergents or chemicals? What particular products do you use to clean a toilet?
Dettol, the antibacterial,
Mm-hmm.
and there is something that used to wipe the stains.
Okay, now in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food?
Well, I will offer them some food that will give them will get them to be to catch their attention, like the color of the food or the taste of it. Make some stories about how what will be the benefit of that food when she eat that.
Okay, and what is your hobby?
My hobby, gardening.
Gardening. Okay, perfect. And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
I can see maybe 2 years or 4 years, like that.
2 to 4 years.
Hmm.
Okay, and the last question that we have for you is, do you think you will be a good helper to your new employer and why?
Yes, I will be. I will be an asset for them. I can tutor their child. I am skilled. I have enough knowledge to impart with them.
All right, very well said. I think that's all. Thank you for the time and have a nice day.